Assalamualaikum. Today our topic is measurement. Measurement mean पैमाइश करना, नापना किसी भी चीज़ को, जैसे एक किताब की पैमाइश, एक दीवार की पैमाइश, एक स्कूल घर से लेकर स्कूल तक का रास्ता. Measurement mean measure of anything. Student, there are three ways to measure anything: length, weight, volume and capacity. Length, measure the length of any object. Weight, it tells us heavy and light object. Volume, it tells us the amount of space of an object occupies. In this lesson we learn about the length. We learn about the length of an object. Standard unit of length is meter. Meter denoted by m. Standard unit of length is meter. Smallest unit of length is centimeter. Centimeter denoted by cm. cm. Smallest unit of length is centimeter. 1 meter is equal 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter make 1 meter. 1 meter have 100 centimeter. Small lengths can be measured in meter, centimeter, millimeter. Meter, centimeter and millimeter. But kilometer are used to measure longer lengths. 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter. 1 kilometer have 1000 meter. 1000 meter make 1 kilometer. For example, to measure a book, centimeter is used to measure the length of book. Centimeter used. Length of classroom wall, we can be measured with meter. Length of classroom wall. But the distance between house and your schools, it's a longer distance. Longer measurements can be measured with kilometer. The distance between your house from your school can be measured in kilometers. Addition of units of length. Addition of units of length is same as for numbers. Example, 8 kilometer 450 meter add 630 meter. Meter add in meter, kilometer add in kilometers. We write the value of kilometer and kilometer. Meter and meter is as number for unit, tens and hundred. We write the unit value in the unit, tens value in tens, hundred value in hundreds. Meters, first of all write meter, then kilometer. 8 kilometer 450 meter. We write meter below than meter. Add 0 add 0. 5 add 3. 5 में 3 add करना है. 8 it become 8. No carry. 6 add 4 it become 10. 0 here. 1 is carry. 1 add in 8 it become 9. It can be written as answer is 9 kilometer 80 meter. Subtraction of units of length. Subtraction of units of length is same as that for numbers. Example, 7 kilometer 123 meter minus subtract 3 kilometer 512 meter. Kilometer, meter. We write the bigger value on upper, topper, and the lowest value on the lower. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 is smaller than 5. Then he borrow tens from 7. 7 give him 10. It becomes 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Remaining 6. Here 6. Remaining 6 minus 3, 3. The answer is 3 kilometer 611 meter. I hope students, I hope you will understand the topic of lengths. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. We will complete the topic of length, how it add and subtract. Okay, Allah Hafiz.